Oh, these are cool. What a cool little hotel. Literally, it's a tube. Awesome. Early in the morning again, and sunset cruise was a success. Really nice, but now we're walking down the beautiful white sandy beaches of Langkawi. We're going to meet some people that are staying at a nice hotel resort down here, so we're going to head on down there. Feeling a bit difficult today. She's fine. I don't know how she's managed to get away with it, but I'm certainly not. Here we are, back on the beach. So this is where some of our friends are staying. This is called the Pelangi, and as you can see, it's literally beachfront. So I'm guessing we're probably going to give this a go next time we come up, which we will definitely do because it's just fabulous here. Just fabulous. So after chilling on the beach for a little bit, we have headed over to this wonderful pool. This is the Pelagia Hotel. Some friends are staying here, so that's why we're allowed to come in. But it's literally got like pool bar, waterfall for swimming in, food. Prices are a little bit more expensive than the rest of the island, but it's a nice resort, as you can see. So we're spending the rest of the afternoon here before we head out for dinner. Easier one tonight, or we say so. So far, we're saying it's going to be an easier one. And we're going to go for some food and watch the sunset. But yeah, nice day. More relaxing than the last couple, but happy times. So I've not been very active on this particular video for a couple of reasons. One, I was super tired, and second of all, I'm really sunburnt. Obviously I didn't look after myself today. Make sure you always wear sun cream. But we are here on the last night now. There's only 4 of us left. Oh no, 6 of us left. And we're gonna head out for some food at this place called Tube Hotel, sorry. It's right here. There we go, because you sleep in tubes, so it's called the Tube Hotel, and apparently it's got a really nice sunset, so we're going to finish off with some dinner here. Watch the sunset. Oh, these are cool. What a cool little hotel. Literally, it's a tube. Awesome. This is something I've never seen before. How cool is this? Beer ATM. You tap your card. Right here, and then you pour your beer. The glasses are here. So, I'm going to try that in a minute. Awesome.
There, now it's going. Beer ATM, Ollie?
Amazing. This is blowing my mind. This is like such a cool idea.
Serve yourself. 5 ringgit for 1 liter, Carlsberg.
The reason I find this is a good way to make money is because tonight I wasn't planning on having a beer. But because this is here, I'm having a beer.
Cool spot.
Woken up this morning on the final day. We're leaving in about 2 hours, and some serious sunburn is happening. Last night was quite relaxed. Just had a couple of beers at the bar, then came back to the hotel and chilled out. Early night, feel great today other than the sunburn. It actually rained last night as well. We were actually saying at dinner how we've been lucky with the weather, but it rained last night. So we are now going to drop off our bike and come back to the hotel, go say bye to everyone, then head over to the airport before we fly back to JB. I hope you've enjoyed this little series of videos. An unexpected trip which turned out to be absolutely amazing. What a few days we had, absolutely amazing. And make sure you like, subscribe for the videos, and wait for more. Now we can travel again. Hopefully we'll have a bit more content coming up. Thank you very much. See you next time.